What is going on, DJs? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best turntables in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these turntables, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video or dislike it if you're feeling salty today, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first turntable we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Denon DJ VL12. Next up at our number 4 pick, we've got the Reloop RP-8000 Mk2. Coming up next at number 3, we've got the Pioneer DJ PLX-1000. And next up, we've got the Pioneer DJ PLX-500. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we picked the Technics SL-1210 Mk7. Alright, DJs, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which turntable you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.